Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how to make a very tender tandoori chicken at home in a very easy way. Here are the ingredients that you require to make a tandoori chicken. A full one chicken which comprises 4 pieces, 2 are leg pieces and 2 are chest piece. We washed it properly before using it. You need a thick yogurt, half cup. Try to get thick yogurt because if the yogurt will be thin, it will not stick on the chickens. Here you need 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of green chili paste. For spices we have Kashmiri red chili, which is not spicy at all. We will take 1 tablespoon of it. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Chaat masala 1 teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon or as per your taste. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Food color 1/4 teaspoon. Garam masala half teaspoon. Red chili flakes, which is not shown in here, but you need 1 teaspoon. And you need a raw papaya 1 tablespoon. If you don't eat spicy, then decrease the quantity of spices as per your taste. Give the chicken pieces deep cuts. It will help the masala to go in the chicken. It will make it more tastier and it will help in marination. Here we took a bowl. Add yogurt in it. Add ginger, garlic and chili paste. Now add all masalas. Now we are squeezing fresh lemon juice in it. Mix it well. We are adding chicken pieces in a mixture and then we will apply the mixture on the pieces very well. Here we are adding 1 tablespoon raw papaya. It is very difficult to get raw papaya. If you get it, then freeze the rest in a freezer. If you want to know how to freeze it, check my next video. Now we added chili flakes in it. Mix it and apply it on the chicken well. Here we mix it well. Now we will keep it to be marinated in a refrigerator for at least 2 hours. or you can keep it overnight if you want to use it very next day. We kept the chicken whole night. Now it is marinated very well. It is ready, so let's cook it. Add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil in a pan. Keep it on low flame and then add chicken pieces in it. Here we kept the flame to high. We put all the 4 pieces in a pan. We will cook it for 5 minutes on a high flame, then we will turn their sides. 5 minutes are over, now we will change their sides. Be careful when you are changing their sides because they are already very tender. Here we change the sides of all 4 pieces. See, color of the chicken turned into golden brown. Now we will turn the flame low to medium and cover it with lid. Here we covered the chicken. After covering it, we cooked it for 5 minutes. Chicken released the water. It cooked well. Now we will cook it uncovered to dry the water. Till the water of the chicken get dry, we will keep charcoal on a flame to heat it up. We heating the charcoal to give the chicken a tandoori smell. Here the water is almost dry. The oil is regerminated from the chicken. That means the chicken is cooked very well. At this point we will apply the remaining marinated mixture on the chicken. After applying the marinated mixture, we will change the sides again. You can see the color of the chicken. How beautiful chicken is looking. Let it cook till the mixture that we applied on the chicken get dry. Make the small bowl from aluminium foil to put the charcoal on it. Put the chickens aside to make a place for aluminium foil. In the middle of the pan, now place the foil in the middle. Put the charcoal on it. Spill little bit oil on charcoal. It can be any oil. Then cover it with lid for few seconds. Uncover the lid. Change sides of the chicken. Chicken already got a very beautiful golden brown color. To make chicken very shiny and beautiful, we will apply oil on it. Just wash it with a very little oil. Here our chicken is ready. Turn off the flame and unpan the chicken. A very tender spicy chicken tandoori is ready. See how soft it is. Try it and do let me know in comment how was it. See you with the next recipe. Allah Hafiz, bye.